Oh my goodness. Look at all these kids. See, if we get a long shot, look at all of them. Look at all of That's too many kids. Nathan. And that's Jackson, but we call him brother. This is Winston. He's my friend. And Nathan. Yeah. What do you think we should take a picture of now?
What?
I don't know. You tell me.
Jackson, we're away.
Yeah, let's find them. Yeah, that's Jackson, and who else? Who's that? George, yeah. Uh-oh. Think Jackson's gonna pull that basket of stuff down?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
What are you doing there, Tex? Here, let's get you in.
It's lunchtime.
It's lunchtime!